Before cleaning any area, it is important that you wear the necessary PPE or personal protective equipment in order to protect yourself. It is also important that you familiarize yourself with the safety data sheets and product labels of each product that you'll be using for cleaning and disinfecting. Doing so not only provides you the information on the best way to use the product, but will also help keep you safe. You can review Section 8 of the product SDS, which clarifies personal protection guidelines for the product. SDSs can be easily found at SSS.com by searching a product and then looking under the Regulatory tab. It is also critical that secondary labels are placed on any trigger sprayer or container used to carry chemicals that is not the original packaging. It is also important to remember that only non-porous surfaces can be disinfected. A non-porous surface is a material that does not absorb moisture, such as plastic, metal, glass, or ceramic. Examples of non-porous surfaces include objects like tables, desks, and chairs. When utilizing chemical disinfectants, an important consideration is the dwell time of the disinfectant. It is important that you understand the correct dwell time for each disinfectant used so that you can ensure that you are getting the correct efficacy out of the disinfectant. Dwell times for each product can be found on the product label. Be sure to follow your facility's guidelines for proper disinfection.